Welcome back to our channel, Kurt Ashing Adventure. And tonight, we are heading to a different kind of adventure. We are going to San Rafael River Adventure. And we will have our first night in the glamping tents. And then the second night, we will be spending it in a glass tree house. So excited na ba kayo? Syempre, share namin sa inyo yung experiences namin in this adventure. So let's go! Let's go with us! So tonight, it's actually 6:34. Ang check-in time namin is 7:30 p.m. and we are here at EDSA. Yan. Good thing hindi masyadong ma-traffic ngayon. So sabi ni Waze, we'll be there in an hour and 22 minutes. Okay? Medyo malilate kami. 7:57 yung arrival time namin. Pero okay lang siguro yan. Okay. Ayan. Ang dami pa ding sasakyan sa EDSA. Pero hindi katulad dati na talagang bumper to bumper ang traffic, guys. Medyo maganda naman yung flow ng traffic tonight. Guys, nandito na kami sa NLEX. Ayan, papasok na kami sa toll gate. RFID tayo, guys. Gumana! Gumana ang ating RFID, guys. Ayan. Hindi ganun kadami yung cars ngayon dito sa NLEX. Ayan, makikita nyo, hindi din traffic. Both sides, hindi traffic. We just arrived, guys. Nandito na kami sa San Rafael River Adventure. So, magte-temporary parking muna kami dito. And then we'll go to the reception. I think for health declaration, health check. Pero I already filled out yung health declaration form namin online. Hi guys! So, nandito na kami sa aming glamping area. Papakita ko sa inyo yung aming tent and yung area ng pagstayan namin tonight. Okay? Guys, ito yung aming tent. Ayan, meron kaming dining area. Meron siyang tables and chair. May extra table kami dito. Ayan, yung aming cooler. That's ours, hindi siya provided. And then, dito meron sila yung para sa mosquito na light. And then there, you have an access to hugasan ng hand. Pasok tayo sa aming tent, guys. Habang maayos pa ang aming tent, pagka ganito kasi medyo malamok. So, kailangan always make sure na close yung tent nyo para hindi papasok yung mosquitoes. Ito yung aming tent. So, mayroon dyang yan yung higaan. Meron siyang foam and ayan. Pwede kong tumayo. Kasya ako nakatayo dito. And then, may locker doon. And, ayan, may cooler. Ayan. So, kasya naman kaming family dito. May dalawa siyang mattress. And may 4 na pillow. Ayan. They also provide towel at saka yung kumot. Ayan. Tapos, guys, ayan, mayroong basket. Pwede mong lagyan na ng food mo. Lagyan namin ng mga snacks namin. Inside. Tapos, ang maganda dyan, we have our bonfire. Ala, umala ng ilaw. Ayan, meron kami bonfire area dito. Ayan, Ashing! Pwede tayong lagay ng marshmallow. Ayan. So, there you go, guys. So, bago mamatay ang bonfire namin, mag-ihaw muna kami ng marshmallow.
Sobrang init.
Yan, mag-s'mores kami, guys. Nainitan daw si Ashing. Pakita mo nga, Daddy. Yan. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Bonfire. Yan na. Naluto na yung s'mores ko, guys. Yan. Sobrang init. Yan, si Kuya Kurt naman nagluluto ng kanyang marshmallow. Sarap pala yung marshmallow. Oo, nagapoy na yung marshmallow niya. Patingin! Patingin! What happened? Oh no! Burnt! Burnt marshmallow. Sige nga, kainin mo.
Wait, ang init eh. Sarap. Ano nga?
Ang lasa.
Ikaw, Sing.
Ano mo ano? Yung nabibili na marshmallow na ganito. Nalagay mo sa ano, mainit. Ganun lang.
Sa Ashing's turn. Yan. Oh, baby loves.
4 months yung aapoy. Nasusubo mo.
Yan, may see, baka luto na yan. Ayan na, may burn na siya ng konti. Oh, yan. Brown na siya. Oh, taste it. Sarap. Yung restaurant nila closed. So, kailangan may baon kaming food. Ayan, dinner namin. Cook food, adobo. Anong ulam mo, Kurt?
Adobo.
Adobo. Yan.
Yun o, may ano pa. Yung, diba?
And ayan, good morning everyone ulit. Yun yung glamping tent namin. Ayan, we're going to walk around kasi it's just 6 AM para makita natin ang views sa ibang lugar dito sa San Rafael River Adventure. Ayan yung bonfire site namin kagabi. Okay, let's go! So, ito yung iba pang mga glamping sites. Malalayo yung mga location. Siguro few meters away ang each tent. So, good for social distancing siya, guys. Ayan o. Malalayo yung mga tents. Ito yung mga magkakam. Medyo magkatabi ng konti. Pero yung sa amin malayo ang sunod na tent. I think walang naka-check-in dito sa isang tent na to. So, yan. Ayan. Dito pa. Tapos, meron na din silang griller. Yan na, may grill. Pwede ka magluto. Kasi close yung kanilang restaurant. So, you have to bring your own food. Yan, wow, ito tayo, guys. Yan. That's the Chocolate Kisses hammock. Kita mo yung lake from here. And dito din yung floating pool. Pero hindi daw available yung floating pool kasi mababa yung water. So, yan. So guys, nakarating kami dito sa may river. Bumaba kami ng stairs. Tapos nakita namin tong mga parang balsa na kubo. Ayan, meron siyang bubong. Tapos ang floor niya is kawayan. Ayan. Ito yung, I think this is the glamping with a twist na site. So dito nila sineset up yung tent. Kasi yung glamping with a twist dito, nasa river siya. So, dito yon. Although, wala naka-check-in ngayon ata for glamping with a twist. Ayan. Maganda yung, yung view. Kasi nandyan lang yung river. Kitang-kita mo, oh. Tapos, pag matutulog ka dito, parang medyo gumagalaw-galaw kasi nasa floating water. Nasa water ka. So, I think this is also a good experience. Ito yung glass villa, guys. Bawal pumasok kasi parang guest lang siya. Pero ito siya, oh. Ito yung malaking villa nila eh. Yan. Hindi tayo makakapasok kasi hindi natin siya nirentahan. Pero meron itong bubble pool. I'm not sure kung ilan yung capacity niya, pero maganda din yung loob niyan. Wow. So dito may mga activities. Ayan. May mga pato. Ano ba yung pato? Goose? Gansa yung goose, diba? Not sure. Yan, oh. May mga activities na pwedeng gawin. Siguro pag may team building, this is also a good place for team building. Kasi may mga ready na silang activities for team building. Ayan, oh. Pero for families like us, pwede na din naman kayo mag-play around dito. Ayan, tulad ng ginagawa ng aking mag-ama. So again, the place is really big. So talagang good for social distancing siya. And hiwa-hiwalay yung mga glamping sites. Kaya talaga namang hindi halos nakikita yung mga tao. But I'm not sure later kasi may day tour sila. Baka dumami yung tao pag may day tour. So we're planning to just stay sa aming tent during the time na may day tour. Tapos later kami lalabas ulit pagkatapos na yung day tour. Yan. So guys, this is what they call Reflection Island na part. So puntahan natin yung signage ha. Yan, Reflection Island for meditation and sightseeing. So bawal dito kumain. Kailangan upo ka lang dito for meditation. Yan, maganda dito. Ayan, merong hammock. Pwede ka din magduyan dyan. Just sit there. Ayan. Ganda. And then there is a bridge here. Sabi, this way to bridge. Tingnan natin kung ano yung bridge. Wow. So, the baptism of Jesus. So, dito ata pinaportray nila yung baptism ni Jesus. So guys, dito naman yung site ng blob jump. Yan. Tapos, yan siya. Good morning! So, ito na ang aming breakfast. Yan. So, I choose longganisa and fried rice. Tapos may sunny side up egg. And then, meron din silang slice of fruits and I think this is a muffin. Small muffin. So, every day, kapag ka nag-check-in ka ng overnight tour, meron kang free breakfast. Kasama na yun dun sa iyong check-in payment. So, yung glamping namin, it costs 3,600. Pero there's an additional, that is good for 2 persons. Tapos, if you will add another 2 persons, kasi we have kids, yung aming mga anak, there will be an additional fee of 1,250 per additional head. So, maximum of 4 yung glamping tent. Yan. So, kapag ka morning, hindi ka na kailangan pumunta sa restaurant. They will deliver the food sa iyong glamping site for the breakfast. Yun. Tapos, they also have coffee. Ayan, meron din silang provided na coffee. Tapos, yung baso for the coffee. Tapos, i-deliver din nila yung hot water sa inyo. And so, good naman ang ganding nung service nila. And you have your own butler here. Yung nag-assist sa amin kagabi, si Kuya Jason. Siya yung nag-assist namin papunta dito sa site. And then, siya yung mag-a-assist sa amin the whole stay namin dito sa glamping site. Pero until 9 o'clock lang siya ng gabi available. And then, ngayong 7:30 ng umaga ulit. 8 a.m. yung breakfast na deliver. Pero earlier nadala sa amin. Ayun. So, let's go. Let's eat our breakfast. So, kasama sa aming overnight stay, yung free 1 hour na kayak. So, ito yun. Kaya lang, yung kids hindi pa pwedeng mag-kayak. Dapat 15 years old. So, dun sila sasakay sa may bubong. And they have to wear life jacket first. For safety. Ayan. Patan sila ng life jacket. So, ayan. Magkakayak si Daddy. I don't know how to swim kasi hindi ako magte-try. Baka mag-cause pa ako ng accident, guys. Ayan, si Daddy magkakayak na siya. Nandito kami sa swimming pool. Kanina may mga tao dito pero dahil ang check-out usually 6 p.m. so at 5 o'clock wala nang tao kasi nag-anlawan na yung iba. So ngayon kami na lang nandito. Ayan, kami nagsiswimming. Kasi tinapos pa namin yung online classes ng mga bata before kami mag-swim. Gano'ng kalalim ba yung tubig?
I don't know. Mga 4'9". Mga 5
Ashing, gano'ng kalalim pag nakatayo ka ng ayos?
lang. Tingnan ka dito, tungo.
Ayan, ganyan kalalim. Doon sa dulo mas malalim daw, sabi ni Daddy. Ayan, nagsiswim na sila. Aside from this, meron pa silang isang swimming pool, yung swimming falls. Not sure kung may tao pa kasi doon. So dito lang muna kami since walang tao. Social distancing tayo, guys. So mas mabuti na dito tayo sa walang tao. Hi guys! So, this is the end of our first day in San Rafael River Adventures. Kakatapos lang namin mag-check out sa aming glamping site. And to wrap up our experience there, sobrang iba yung adventure dun sa glamping. Kasi actually, we had our camping before, pero sa ano siya eh, sa beach area. So ngayon, iba siya kasi glamping yung experience, may mattress yung higaan, although hindi aircon yung tinulugan namin, medyo mainit and hindi ganun ka comfortable matulog kasi siguro sanay kami na naka-aircon. So yun, nainitan kami kaya maaga kami nagising. And aside from that, okay naman yung experience kasi nakakatuwa, kakaiba siya dun sa ibang staycation. So I really recommend other families, kung gusto nyo ng kakaibang experience, staycation experience, you can check out the glamping experience here in San Rafael River Adventures. 3,600 lang siya, good for 2 persons, and if you have kids, you have to pay additional 1,250 per each additional person. So yon. So if you like this video guys, and if by the way, if you have questions or you have other comments na nakakatulong dito sa vlog, other information about this vlog, you can comment down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Kurt Dashing Adventures. That's it for today guys, and we are now heading to our next destination, which is still here in San Rafael River Adventures, but we are transferring to another location sa kanilang glass tree house. So watch out for our vlog on that location. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.